guys, it's Tori, and today's a little bit of a different video. I'm feeling really sick. I might not really sound it. I don't know if I do or not, but yeah, I'm feeling really sick, and I don't really feel up to I don't feel up to editing a video today because I'm really sick, and I just I just don't feel well, so I'm really sorry about that. I feel like a lot of obstacles have been getting in my way of recording, but I hope that you guys understand, because there's nothing I can really do about me being sick. I could edit the video, but it'll probably just be bad quality, because so I don't have like a fever, but so I'm not like 101, I'm like temperature, I'm like a normal temperature, but my head hurts, my brain hurts, my tongue hurts, my mouth hurts, my nose hurts, everything basically hurts, my stomach hurts, so I hope you guys understand. Hopefully I'll be better tomorrow. If you don't see a video tomorrow, it's probably because I'm still sick. If you do, it's probably because I'm not sick. I'll be wearing a different outfit because I already recorded a bunch of videos and I'm just editing them now. So yeah, hopefully you guys understand. I'm sure you guys will. It's not like I'm this big YouTuber who needs to post every day, because I'm not really. Anyway, so I hope you guys understand, and I'll see you all later. Bye!